Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to make my Gacha Life character. So first of all, I'm going to go get an OC. That one's good. Now first, my hair is a third page in the second row with the wolf ears. Then my front hair is on the first page. I like that hair. Then my back hair, there's no back hair for me on here, but I don't know why I went through it, but yeah. So the next one is the ponytail. That one, I really like that hair. Then the base is the real darkest one, then the third one. And then my skin color is almost the last one on the first row. Then my eyes are the blush, not the blush ones, the mascara ones, and they're dark, the darkest brown. Then no pupils, and then this the smile. Then this shirt, and then the puffed up sleeves, like these ones, but they're short sleeves, but with that little skirt, and then this shorts, and then gym shoes, because I'm that kind of person. I don't know why, but then I like this headband thingy because it's actually really cute. I think it's really cute. So I'm sorry I'm talking really fast. I just have a lot of time to explain this. I did it really fast because that was a pre-recorded video. So as you see, then the light blue all over, then the gray as the first color with the shoes, and then sorry if you're hearing the background noise. So then bluish hair, and then yeah, that's basically it. Oh yeah, I forgot the wings. So there are some wings that I have in the first, and when I first showed my OC, so you can put those on with me too. Oh yeah, I forgot the freckles and my sunglasses, and so I'm really sorry if I'm talking fast again, 'cause I just am. So that's my OC. Bye. Have a good day and stuff.